But
Man.
Suzuki Gixxer exhaust like $300.
V4 SP2, guys, was just recently traded in. Shane, tell them the story.
So, long story short, it's a 2023, 1,200 miles. Previous owner had a car accident, couldn't ride anymore, so he traded it in with us. So it's available. Cape Fear, BMW, motorcycles. Here in
Roughly, what do you think? Because I know you guys haven't listed it yet.
I believe we're going to have it listed for $39,000.
Guys, that's a flipping steal. If you're in the know, you know how expensive these bikes are out of the crate. I mean, that's a deal. And obviously, the poor guy that broke his leg probably lost his shirt on the trade. But hey, it is what it is. Joseph, it matches the color of your eyes, bud.
Yeah, there you go.
I think it would look pretty freaking amazing on that bike. Jorge, what do you think, bud?
I'll take one.
Or two.
Yep, or two.
Or two.
Yep.
Yeah.
You know, if you're giving them away, maybe. Yeah.
We got to really thank Shane, too, for inviting us up here to come and do this demo day. It was like, we had a conversation about a month ago. Yeah, and he's like, hey, want to come and ride some bikes? Like, for sure. Can I bring my friends?
BMW bikes. Everyone's invited. It's a good time.
Yeah, so BMW is here. So BMW Motorrad has got their tent outside. There's a bunch of demo bikes, and we're going to be going in the 10-15 round, which is in about 30 minutes or so. But Shane came to show us some of the toys in the back here.
All the goodies.
Yeah, and gosh, I wish we'd started again for the video. Hey, start it again, Joe. Can you? Just a dry clutch, guys. It sounds very different in real life compared to when you watch it on the video, so hopefully the mic picks it up, but we'll see. Just keep it up, dude, like it was last time. Pull a clutch in. Just keep it up like it was. And press this.
So weird. It sounds weird. It sounds like the bike is broken. Literally. Like it's just like still getting oil in the engine. It's so crazy, dude. Yeah, it feels like it's just not functioning correctly, but it is. Do you like that sound? I mean, bud, come on. How crazy is that?
Oh, by the way, the bike only has 1,200. Just so you guys can see this, you guys can buy this bike if you guys want to come up here and talk to Shane. 1,291 miles. That's it. Guy barely rode it. It's barely broken in.
Number 977.
Number 977 production number, guys. So hopefully we can get this bike sold for Shane for all the people watching.
Appreciate it. Come check
Yeah,
us out.
bud. Yeah,
We're
just
open
talk to him.
Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 to 6. So we're here, Cape Fear, BMW motorcycles here in Wilmington.
Awesome. Love you guys. Cheers.